Hey folks, you may have recently got solar, or you may be thinking about it. You may be wondering, hey, if my kids are playing ball in the backyard, are we going to do any damage to these solar panels that are on the roof? I don't know. Do you know?
Let's find out. I'm excited to see.
Yeah, so we're going to throw a couple different balls and we're going to see what happens. Let's do this.
Here we go. This could be the one. This could do it. Oh!
Hey everybody, welcome to the peak power fraction of an hour. My name is Dingo.
And I'm Tucker.
And we're going to destroy a solar panel today. Sounds like fun.
Oh yeah, I'm excited.
Let's do this.
Have you ever wondered what's going to happen if something hits my solar panel, like a basketball or a baseball? Well, today we are going to show you exactly what happens.
We're curious because we're curious people. We're not scientists.
No,
we don't really
not
know
at all.
what we're doing or anything. But we are curious what would happen if different balls of different mass hit a solar panel at roughly the same speed. And we're going to do it until we destroy it.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
It's going to explode.
We hope. So we've lined up a bunch of different balls based on mass. So here are the different balls that we're going to be using for our test right now.
Beautiful. Okay, so you know what balls we're going to use. Now let's get to throwing and we'll see what happens.
Yep.
You want to throw?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my arm's sore. I was fishing yesterday. Yeah.
I'll throw. I just hope I can hit the large target.
Good luck.
Okay, here we go.
Right.
It's been about 20 years since I've thrown. Here we go.
Nice shot.
Here we have the paddle ball. Ready? Here we go. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Nice. Nice. Okay.
All right, so this is a bouncy ball, but it's very, very tough, very hard. This could be our first crack. Let's find out. Oh, all right, soccer ball. Just for accuracy purposes, I'm going to throw it instead of kick it. So here we go. All right, brought my Donovan Mitchell shoes just in case. Here we go, basketball. Nothing. Softball. Here we go. This could be the one. This could do it. Oh, got it.
Okay, so don't throw a softball at a solar panel. You hear it cracking? All right, so this is tempered glass, which is 4 times stronger than plate glass, and you can hear it cracking slowly as the tension is released. It's cracking all the way down over time here. Beautiful. That's for safety purposes. There's our wound.
So the top part's cracked, so I'm going to aim for the lower portion with a baseball.
Nailed it. Baseball damage. So parents, you know, if your kids are having a baseball game in the backyard, you may consider the ramifications of that.
So golf ball with the soccer ball logo on it, just for fun. But here we go, here's a little golf ball. See what that will do. Nailed it.
3 for 3.
3 for 3. All 3 will.
Golf ball. Ouch.
Just for fun, I'm going to throw the softball again because that did the most damage. I just want to see it shatter. Love to see that. So here we go. Ready? Oh! Let's try that again. Let's see if I can hit the target first of all. Okay, ready?
Nice. Can I have a throw?
Yep, absolutely.
I want to do baseball.
Okay.
All right, baseball meets solar panel. Yeehaw. All right, let's do a wrap up. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that peak power fraction of an hour. I don't know, did we learn anything?
We learned a lot. I was really surprised at how quickly it broke. I didn't think the softball was going to break that fast.
I didn't either. I knew the baseball and the golf ball, just because they're so small, would do damage. I was a little surprised by the softball, but now we know, right? So if you've got children and they're playing ball in the backyard, odds are everything's going to be okay because it's not going to be a direct hit like ours was. But you might exercise caution pointing them away from the solar system so that they're hitting the ball away from the solar system, just to make sure there's no long-term damage to your solar panel.
Absolutely.
I would like to point out though, if we were to hook this panel up to a volt meter, it'd still be pumping out almost as much power as if it wasn't broken. The glass is just there to protect the solar cells from weathering. It doesn't prevent the sun from shining through and actually producing power, which is kind of cool.
Yeah. Do we want to talk about the warranty? How does this affect a warranty? I think that'd be important.
Yep. So you're probably wondering, man, I broke a solar panel. Is this covered by my warranty? We have an excellent warranty, 25 years bumper to bumper.
Absolutely.
However, if you break your solar panel, that is not covered by a manufacturer defect warranty or an installer warranty.
Yeah, if the panel stops working on its own, if a warranty or a electrical issue, something along those lines, then obviously we are going to take care of it. But if your kid throws a ball and breaks, that is on you.
Okay. Quiet on the set. I've always wanted to say that. Quiet on the set. That was my first time. Here at Peak Power, we install a lot of solar. Sometimes we get solar panels that just don't work, and so we get to destroy them like we did today. If you'd like to see us destroy more solar panels and you have any ideas for us, go ahead and put that in the comments below. And if you liked what you saw, hit subscribe.